heading out on a Desrov's Classics rescue mission. I'm out of the shop right now. See, we got the trailer hooked up. Got a text yesterday, late afternoon. Shelley, her son was in town for the weekend, had the Eldorado, and went to go bring it back over here to store it at Bobby Reed's, and wouldn't start, and he had to catch his flight, so he left the car at the Ace Hotel parking lot. So I've got the trailer, we're hooked up, just in case I can't get it running. I'll tow her home, but if I can get it running, I'll drive it back to Bobby Reed's and catch an Uber back to go get the truck and trailer. But classic car search and rescue. It's another part. Alright, so I'm here on the grounds of the Ace Hotel. I need to find where the car is. I've driven around all the outer parking, because I have a trailer, so I didn't find it. So let's go into the inner parking and try to locate it. I see it. It's right there. Alright, there it is. Hopefully I can get it started and drive it around to the trailer. Should make life a lot easier. Because coming in here with a trailer is going to suck. It's going to piss off a lot of people. But I'm good at pissing off a lot of people. So I get to the car, and I know why it wouldn't start for him. That's not off. That is accessory. So that's why the battery's dead. So it's going to be a bit of a tactical mission. Probably going to unhook the trailer, go over and try to jump the car with the truck, and then car back behind the trailer, hopefully, and then hook the truck up, load the car in the trailer. Alright, got her running. Got it to the trailer. It's running. Barely, but it's running. So I'm gonna load her up. Rescue time. Load it up. If it fits, it ships. Unloading.